Mr. Manuel Serrao. First of all, as a designer from Greece, I would like to say a great thanks for our participations and for your invitation to be here among the best manufacturers and suppliers of Portugal. So I would like to thank you again, and let me ask you, how did you find this Modtissimo? How did it go? What about sustainability? Do you have something new to show us?
First of all, I want to congratulate you for what you have done here with your conferences and with your workshops and with your stand and your beautiful coordinates. That, of course, was very appreciated here in Modtissimo.
CTEV is a technological center, Portuguese technological center, to support the Portuguese textile and clothing industries in Portugal. So what is a showcase called iTextile Green Circle that is only to show the sustainability made in Portugal. So what we do have is a showcase that is presented first time here in Portugal, but then it goes around the world just to show the capacity of the Portuguese textile sector as a sustainable sector, as a responsible sector. So we help the companies to develop new fabrics, sustainable fabrics, and then we invite some Portuguese well-known designers to produce something different with a sustainable fabric, to produce something beautiful, something with sex appeal, I would say.
Oh.
And so we
something
have
fancy.
yeah. It was a different way to show the product, with fashion, with design, with communication as a sustainable product, with responsibility. That's the word. I think more than be sustainable, we should be responsible.
Well, it sounds like excellent work. I have to say that all the forums I have seen here in Modtissimo and also in Premier Vision from Green Circle were fabulous. Were fascinating, and you make me jealous.
No,
because I want also as a designer to make something for the Green Circle. So that means that I have to use sustainable materials, be sustainable as a brand, and be innovative.
Right.
Well, you give me the guidelines, and I will try to do this.
Thank you, and we will hope to have you working with us for the Green Circle.
Let's talk about cork. It is well established that in Portugal we have a lot of cork trees. So you developed a whole textile industry around cork. So can you tell us a few things about you as the designer of this excellent fabric?
Cork, I used to say cork is culture, is nature, and is future.
Can I ask something about the cork fabric? How sustainable is the cork fabric?
Well, it's 100% sustainable because you are, in this case, we are using two sustainable products. One is cotton that can be other textile without cotton can be other ones, together with cork, which is 100% sustainable, recyclable, and reusable product. Besides it's a vegetable product, we have the only one tree in the street that we don't have tree. We just put out the cork every 9 years. So
and this is the best. You do not destroy the environment.
But it's not
you help the environment to grow up.
Every time we are using cork, for each ton of cork, we are saving 70 million of carbon tons from the atmosphere. Just to say a small thing, it's a pleasure and an honor to be with this person that is the example. That's why we'll keep working very hard for the future, and we want to thank you.
Athens Fashion Club.
Isto é um stand daquela escola AthensFashionClub. Okay?
We are from Greece,
É da Grécia,
from Athens.
Atenas,
Athens is the capital of Greece.
é da capital da Grécia.
Okay. We are here with the support of the Portuguese embassy in Athens.
Estão aqui precisamente para representar a escola.
And the reason we are supported is because ευχαριστούμε την Πορτογαλική Πρεσβεία και τον πρόεδρο της Modtissimo, τον κύριο Μάνιο Σεράου, που δίνει τη δυνατότητα στους σπουδαστές της σχολής AthensFashionClub να παρουσιάσουν τον ταλέντο τους σε μια διεθνή έκθεση στο Πόρτο της Πορτογαλίας. Ευχόμαστε τα καλύτερα για την ελληνική μόδα στο εξωτερικό.